Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at this uh girl Powershell, hacking with Powershell from tryhackme.com. So basically what we are gonna do is to solve this, right? So we can see the in solving this, we can learn PowerShell basic command. So let's do this. So first question was, what is the location of the file interesting? So what you can do is use a get child command. So for that, what we can do is, so we have that so we have this interesting part, right? So for this we can do get a child item, then we can specify the path. So it's on C, right? C folder. So then let's include the include the include the file called interesting. So we need double star. So we can do interesting dash file uh the txt, then we can search it recursively. So recursive, and let's do enter. So here we saw an error. So what we can do is to minimize the to not show the error. So what we can add in a command is dash error action, then silently continue. So let's do enter. Then it should remove uh our error. So now we can see the uh file is at C program file. So next thing what we can do is specify the content. So for that we could do, let's control plus C to cancel out the search. So let's we are back at the PowerShell. So next what we can do is to use get content, then it's on C folder, right? Is on C. So I think my spelling is incorrect. Then it's on C. Then it's on program files. Then there is a interesting file, the txt. Then we can do enter. Then what we can see is not so interesting. So we got that content. So next thing was, so how many commandlet are installed on our system? Only commandlet. So for this, how we can search is uh get command, right? Get command command. Then we can do get command that's equal to commandlet. Then we can do pipe it out, and we can do measure, and let's do enter. So that's it. So all the commands. So if we just do get command equal to commandlet, so we can get all the commandlet. So uh, if we just pipe with measure, then it will show the word uh, word count. So let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, we have got the count is 10, 6, 3, 5. It might differ, uh, so don't worry about it. So get the MD5 hashes of interesting file.txt. So for that we have command get file hash, right? File hash. Then we have the path. It's on C, I guess. It's on. Let me just cancel it out. Let's do C. Then program files. Then we have the interesting file. Then we can use algorithm. Algo RITHM rhythm. We can do MD file. Then that should give our hashes. Then what is the command to get a working directory? So it's easy. That's a location we can do get. So I use a tab, so it might show lots of options. So hold on a sec. So we can do get. Then we can use location for it. So there is location. So we are as C user administrator. It's similar like PWD from Linux, right? After getting that, so what is our next question? So does this path have a password? So in order to check, so let's do get location, right? So we have n. So does this path? So if we do get what we could do get location. So then we can do path for that, and we have the path is C. So hold on a sec. We can do C drive, right? So I should have used tab instead of catalog. So we could do C is on C, right? And then it's on user, then administrator, so documents, then password. I don't know it. Password cannot be found. That means on this part there is no password. This file, so here is no. So next question is, what would you use to make a request from uh, a web server? So we can use this invoke web request. So from there we can make a request from a web server. So next is base64 decode the file, right? So we have this file called base64 b64.txt on Windows. So this last question summarized all the about command that we learned from. So what we can do to get this file. So first we need to know the location of the file. For that we could use get child item. Then we have the path. Then it's on C. So we can do C. It's on C, right? So we got to include we got to include uh this base. Let's do space, then we do b64 the txt, then we do recursive search. You can do recurse recurse. So we have found the location for that. So it's on C user administrator, then it's on desktop. So for next, what we need to do is to use a tool called sort util. So what we can do is sort util the ext, then we can decode it, right? Decode, then we can provide the location, called C. It's on C, then it's on user, then it's on administrator, then desktop, right? Then what's the file name? It's on B64. Once it has been done, so it gives us output on the decode.txt. Then we can just do enter for that. So we have successfully got the uh, file. So now what we can do is get content, right, in order to display the saved file. So we decode. So let's do contain, right, and then we can do decode.txt. Let's do enter. So we have successfully decoded the file and got the flag. So thank you for uh, it. So I will make next video so on enumeration. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys.